How to fix black OPS 6 stock on black screen on Xbox? Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you to fix these issues on your device. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. So, if Call of Duty Black OPS 6 or any Black OPS game since Black OPS 6 hasn't released as of my knowledge as a stock on a black screen on your Xbox, here are some of the general troubleshooting steps you can follow. First is to restart your console. Hard reset your Xbox by holding the power button for 10 seconds until it's shut down completely. Wait for a few seconds, then turn the console back on and try launching the game. The second step is check for game and system updates. Simply go to My Games and Apps, then select Manage and click Updates. To check the system update, you can go to Settings and select the system. Click on Updates and download. Third is to clear the cache. You can clear the cache or the system cache by powering off the console completely and unplugging it for at least 30 seconds, then plug it back in and restart it. Fourth step to follow is to reinstall the game. Go to My Games and Apps and select the game. Press the menu button and choose Uninstall. After uninstalling, reinstall it from your library or the disks if applicable. The fifth is to check network connection. Go to Systems or Settings. And after that, click on Network, add the network settings and ensure your Xbox is properly connected to the internet. Consider restarting your router as well. And the sixth step you need to follow is simply restart Xbox to factory setting. Go to Systems and then click on System. On the settings, you need to click System and then Console Info and lastly restart console. Lastly, check for hardware issues. Ensure your Xbox and TV are properly connected and that no cables are loosed or damaged. Try using a different HDMI cable or a different TV input. If none of this steps resolve the issue, contact the Xbox support team and your issue will be fixed. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.